Alright, rev it. That sounds good. It's not too loud. Rev it.
You should have stayed down. I can't talk to you, I'm out the way now. Gave up on me back when I was way down. I ain't had no sleep enough for days now. I'm on my way now.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Street Series channel. I'm about to head over to the homie Juan's house with my little brother Jesus. Lalo's already there, but check it out. Lalo got the Skunk 2 catback exhaust for his TSX. So yeah, I think they're already putting it on. They might already be done, but we'll see when we get there. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we just pulled up. Check out the homie Junior's Integra. They're getting it ready for paint. Are you guys gonna paint this with actual paint or rattle can? Huh? Are you guys painting this with actual paint or rattle can?
Yeah, but fucking Junior got ripped off with the other primer.
Oh, for real?
That shit was bad, and we tried to still use it, and look at the difference. This is
yeah,
one
that shit
primer
looks
in the
cheap.
front over there, and then that primer was cheap as fuck. So I'm gonna restand the doors and redo that with this one.
Copyright. Alright guys, here's the Skunk 2 exhaust. They already put it on, we took a while to get here. Hey, copyright. It hits or what?
Yeah, you can't pull up the jet.
Lower the car problems.
Oh, side skirts! Nope.
You gonna make it? Nope.
Nope. I fucking told you, dumbass.
That's what sucks about having a lowered car.
One.
Shout out SoCal Accessories. Damn, your shit dirty, Lalo.
That's why, but I'm telling you. Okay. It serves as a rent.
You guys don't want soda? Soda right here. Soda and chips. What happened?
That's why my shoe was so loud.
Copyright.
This one had an exhaust leak on the fucking glass pipe.
For real?
Yeah, look at this shit was nasty.
Damn!
That shit was just dangling, barely hanging out for its fucking life.
No wonder that shit was so fucking loud.
It wasn't supposed to be that loud. Usually muffler resonator deletes aren't that loud on four fingers.
And Lalo was like, my car sounds sick. This is why. Woo! You guys have goats here?
Yeah, cheap.
I thought that was Chewy laughing. Chewy's little brother. Juan's little brother doesn't want soda or chips. The one that looks like Chewy.
Hey, you guys can get chips, fool. And soda too. He has a soda. Come here.
Sponsor us. These things are cute. How many do you guys have?
7.
7? Damn, look at their eyes. You guys watch the YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're a subscriber or what?
Yep.
Tell them subscribe to you, the Street Series.
Subscribe to Street Series.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Are you Gloria's little brother? Or, yeah, Gloria's little brother. Giving us a shout out. Let me show them how it sounds just idling. Wait, wait, wait. Don't step on it yet. Oh. Alright, so this is how the Skunk 2 catback sounds. Just idling. Alright, rev it. That sounds good. It's not too loud. Rev it. It sounds good. It's not too loud.
That's what I like. Is this one Zigma?
What?
Zigmo? He's thinking Gizmo.
No.
Zigmo. Where's Gizmo?
She's a mom?
I assume you have one.
Wait, that's the mom?
No, fool.
Oh, I was about to say that's a Chihuahua. Ooh, check it out. The TSX looks sick.
Hey, how we put that wood?
Alright, we're gonna go do some pulls for you guys. Oh, let me leave the gate open, fuck it. And we're gonna go do some pulls for you guys so you guys can see how it sounds. It's been on for about a month. So yeah, let's see. Alright guys, so you made it to the end of the video. Here's the giveaway winner. All you had to do was comment under the Slammed Celicas video. Here, let me show you guys the comments. There's a couple in there. But yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'd be updated on the giveaway. So if you don't follow me already, just click on any of my videos. The link to my Instagram is in all my videos, so make sure you follow me so you can enter the next giveaway. Anyways, you copy the link into here, then you load the comments. Okay, and then you pick a random winner. There's 23 comments, so you have the choice to pick the most liked comment or a random comment, which I'm gonna do random. Oh wait, there we go. Okay, fuck it. So I accidentally clicked it twice, but there's two winners. It was Ace Pacific 123X. So message me, and then the last one I think said Osvaldo Ochoa. So Ace Pacific and Osvaldo Ochoa. Make sure you guys hit me up. I'll replay the video just to be sure on the first winner. But anyways, congrats guys. Message me on Instagram. My Instagram is shitty_UA7, so message me so we can get the merch out to you guys. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow me on Instagram for the next giveaway. Thanks guys, stay tuned.
In this world, baby,
there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.